Hello, let me show you how you can fix this issue when you forgot your PIN code, the screen lock, on the Poco C75. So first of all, you will have to start by turning off your phone. In my case, I'm just holding the power key and now I can just power off. If it's not working, you can try to use power key and volume up button together. Now, when your phone turns off, you will have to click and hold power key and volume up button again. So power key, volume up button. When the phone turns on, release the power key and keep holding the volume up button until the phone enters for recovery mode. There we go. Right here, you will have to navigate with your power key, so click on the volume down button once. When you select wipe data, click on power key. Now scroll with the volume down button again, select wipe all data and click on power key. Now be sure that you remove your SIM card and memory card from the SIM slot, because you will remove everything from your phone and from those cards. Then scroll with the volume down button, click confirm on the power key, and now as you can see, the process start. And now you just have to wait until it actually reach 100%, and then you will have to simply reboot, start the phone. So you will have to also navigate with the volume up or volume down button and click on the power key to finish. And after you do this, the phone will actually start with the first setup screen and it will be not anymore the screen lock. So the only thing that you will have to do is just to log in with your previous Google account. And yeah, that will be all for this video.